Hi, hopefuls. So I went to Sam's Club today mainly to, my counter is like got some of everything on it. I need to clean up. A chest freezer today. They were $160. Making mama some these. Let's see. $169. And online it was showing, y'all, I put something in air fryer. So online it was showing the chest freezers out of stock. But I called, and I'm glad I called. They had 2 of them. So I'm going to give mama my other one over here. Let me show you guys. This one over here. I think this is only like a 3.0. And this is just too small. It may be smaller than the 3.0. I have to look it up. It's just too small. By the time I freeze just a couple of eggs, I mean, it's some room back here, but it's just too small for us. So when I go to Sam's, it's the issue, and I can't get everything in here. So anyway, yeah, and I am going to get some curtains to cover this up, like you guys said. So the chest freezer 5.0, and I did see the upright freezer. They had one. It was $229, and I was debating, should I get that one or not? But I really didn't have anywhere to put it other than right there where that shelf is. So I said I'll just get the chest freezer. And the upright freezers, if you have them, they're 6.5 cubic feet at the stores. So this is probably really need to go in my garage, but it's fine for now. Maybe I get Jason to move it later. And yeah, and if you see this box, I got a table from Wayfair. When the table came, it was messed up. The leaf was messed up. The table was smashed on the end. That chair, it has some missing parts. You see how the leg is going in, and it probably happened when they shipped it, and it took forever for it to come. And anyway, the leaf was messed up. The chair was cracked. And so anyway, y'all, they just sent me a whole new table, which I thought was really great customer service. Well, wasted money, but whoever shipped it or delivered it, I mean, it just really was messed up. Okay, so really quickly in Sam's, there I did take note of a lot of things that I want to pick up next time when I go in Sam's. So we already have some favorites, and of course is the Angus cheeseburgers. You get 10, they're $15. Getting both of these together, I mean, that's $30 off the bag. It's a lot. So I may limit them, and they probably get tired of them eventually, I'm sure. So I got the Southern style spicy chicken sandwiches. I didn't even know they had spicy until I saw it today, and I already took them out because Mom and I went to Walmart. So I just dump them and take them out of the box to make more space. We absolutely love, I can't remember who commented, and he said that they like their jumbo potatoes too. They're $8.94. I'll make sure I put the prices. These are good. We went through these. I think we may have 2 left. I cook about 5 or 6 at a time anyway. And then if we have leftovers, I put them in the fridge. Somebody usually ends up eating them. But they were so good to have. So I do love their baked potatoes. Rustic potatoes. I got some chicken broth. I didn't get this last time, but you get 6 in here for like $6 and something, which I think is a great deal. I've been eyeing the pineapple chunks on their website. You get 4 of these containers here for $6 as well. And I said, oh, they have some in stock today. So I got those. The Sam's today the stock was a lot better. They had more things out, and some things I didn't see before, like canned Del Monte green beans and stuff like that. I didn't see the Members Mark, but they had the Del Monte green beans, a whole lot of other different things that I didn't see before. But everything else was still, they were low in quantity, but they had some, such as the Spam, the chicken breast that people use in the can, or the canned chicken, and then also the tuna fish. Okay, y'all, so I got a big bag of onions. I was watching a channel yesterday, and I love onions, and I saw her pick this up, and I was like, I need to get that. And I want to get some and cut them up, vacuum seal them, and put them in the freezer. I got some brown gravy. Remember, I was talking about this, I think, in a meal plan. So it'll be good to just go ahead and have this instead of buying all the packets all the time. And of course, I can make my own, but I already have this. And then I was also watching the channel. I'll try to put it down below because she has lots of Sam's videos. And all the food she was getting, I was like, dog, I thought I was bad. But good gracious, but yeah, she has a big family. So this is the garlic Parmesan seasoning, the Weber. And I saw her pick this up. It was like $3.98, I believe. I wish it was a little bit bigger. But yeah, I want to try that. It was another one, the Tone seasoning, but I didn't see that in the store, so maybe it'll be online. I don't know. I picked up Jason. He did ask for some bananas. I didn't realize they were organic, but that's fine. It's probably better to be organic. I got some Rotel dip. I was trying to make a mental list in my head, and I should have snapped pictures of stuff I plan on coming back to get. And another thing that I plan on getting is some refried beans. I think you get like eight or something. I also saw where they had some Glory string beans today for $5.41, which I thought was a great price for six big cans. But I didn't get it. Okay, as well, I was looking at this online because I was going to order some things. The Mahatma, how you pronounce this, mama? Mahatma rice. I'll be butchering words. Jasmine rice. Jason does like this long grain fragrant rice. Well, he likes jasmine rice. He likes the sweetness. I don't really care for it too much, but this was only $4.99 for 32-ounce bags. So I thought I'd pick up some, and I'll probably pick up some more. This is the instant savings this month, I'm sorry. Hefty bowls. They're not quite the biggest. I'm loving their plates. You know, I prefer paper, which I may eventually pick up the paper instead of the styrofoam. But these are only $6. I want to say 98 cents, but I'll caption it. I had to take this out because we went to the store. So this is the 3-meat pizza. I already put these up. Also have to, we got the Tyson's chicken nuggets, I'm sorry, y'all. I also got some chocolate muffins. These went quicker, so I got these instead of the variety pack. Oh, that's gonna fall. And then I got some jumbo honey buns, and you get 9 in here. I know Jodi's already ironed these, so I got those, and I got them some Nutty Buddy bars. So some of these things I didn't know that they even had until I started walking around the store. Not walking around the store. I started shopping online and looking to see what they had, because sometimes you kind of have tunnel vision when you go in there. And then I know when my budget starts going up higher, I tend not to look at other things anymore until I get what I came in there for. And I didn't know they had these. So Josiah and JJ, I think all 3 of them love these. Also got the pulled pork. I almost forgot totally about this. I've seen this in several videos, so I wanted to try this. The 2-pound, it was like $10 and something. Lastly, y'all, the Tyson white meat chicken nuggets. We like these. Trail was like, these were the best chicken nuggets he tasted. These are on an instant savings. I think you save $2, so I want to say they're only $7, but I'll make sure I put the price of these. We went through these. I like them myself, and I'm really finicky about my chicken. Like, I don't want it to seem, this is processed, but I don't want it to seem like it's not real chicken. I don't like the bite in it, and it's rubbery and all that stuff. I want it for it to taste and be like chicken breast. So they like the chicken sandwiches. My mom liked them and everything. I know a lot of people rave about them. I'm just finicky. So I took like 1 bite, and I saw it wasn't like Tyson when you see 100%. What is it? Y'all know what I'm saying with Tyson chicken. It's not weird when you bite into it. I don't know, y'all. I'm difficult. And that was the same for these. So these do have a great taste. These are good. But JJ preferred the Tysons over these. Josiah liked them. I can't remember what Trail liked, but that's why we still have some left. They are good, but again, I want my chicken to look like 100% white meat, no dark meat when I bite into it. So that's it, y'all. I think that's it, if I'm not forgetting anything. I may add this with another video. I have to see, but thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I'm going to add this to another video because it's going to be super duper short. But my order from Sam's.com, I did upgrade on the Sam's membership so I can get the free shipping. And this item here, the 12 cans, sorry y'all, I'm putting stuff up. The Member Mark cut green beans, 12 of them, you get it for $5.98, and so that's like 49 cents a can, and that's about the same price, I believe, at Walmart, and as well as like if Harris Teeter has it on sale, and as Aldi. So I think, yeah. So but you don't have any limits, you get 12, and so with tax it was like $6.12 for all of these. I only ordered one. I think you have to catch it because sometimes they're not in stock, and they don't have this. Well, they don't have it at my store. They may have it at your stores, but I think it says only online. They also have a 12-pack of corn. I didn't see a 12-pack or anything else like peas or lima beans. I just haven't seen any lima beans, and I like lima beans. I'm trying to think what else. They do have a 6 or 8-pack of Bushes. I want to say it's 6 for $6.98 or something like that. But anyway, this is a good alternative if you have a Sam's membership to do that. And I think I will get another one, purchase my mom one. Okay. So that's the only thing that I got from Sam's.com. I probably will make a order for some other things. I finally went to Walgreens, y'all, and I got some vitamins. They just about sucked up all of the vitamin C. So all of us, 5 of us, I think you take 2 of these a day. So it goes pretty quickly. It was buy one, get one half at Walgreens. And I believe they were $13. I don't quite remember, y'all. I'll look at the receipt and caption it. So I got those. And I did see one little lonely zinc. This is something that I was watching the Ricky Smiley show. Well, you have to listen to his show, but I listened to it on YouTube, the little snippets that he has. He has a doctor on there called his name is Dr. Collier, I believe. And he recommends vitamin C, D, zinc, and I think a probiotic. So it's hard to find zinc. Everybody's buying zinc. There is some on Amazon though, but in the store it's hard to find. I said I needed a stockpile on this or just get some. These are 36 tablets. This is Sudafed. I can't take Sudafed. It makes my heart race. But Jason takes this. My mom takes it as needed. Because sometimes she gets fluid in her ears, and sometimes Jason gets fluid in his ears and he feels dizzy. So when it happened, my mom knew exactly what he needed to take. So I remember I said in the other haul that I needed to get that. The Elderberry Liquid, just about all the elderberries are gone. Elderberry Liquid, this is for children, and this one says for the entire family, but I think this is gel. So, oh no, it says quick dissolve tablets. So I guess I could just took this. This was really expensive. This was like $24, but they have had sales before that was buy one get one half at Walgreens, but I kept missing it. But this was the only one on the shelf, so I went ahead and got that. And just like when I went to Walmart, they didn't hardly have any elderberry either. That's it, y'all. That's it. I did go to CVS and Coupon. I don't normally share this because it's a lot to explain, and I like to show you guys the coupon that I clipped, and it's a lot. So I did make a post. I'm gonna see if I can find it where I shared some people to follow if you want to get your couponing game up, such as Grade That Dude on YouTube, Budget Boss Coupon, Couponing with Star, Don Deals, some of everybody, y'all. Jodi Dunn, Tea Time, trying to think who else, and I know I'm gonna leave somebody out. Mink's Coupon Life. Oh gosh, somebody who I watched just this morning, I can't remember her name. Short Mama Couponer. All those different people, y'all. You watch them and you get your Running with Kimono, Savvy Coupon Shopper, I believe. I watched Southern Savers as well. I've been following her for years, y'all. Go on her website, she has matchups. And then also, who else has matchups? The what's the lady name? The Crazy Coupon Ladies. They have matchups too. So if you sign up for their link, not their link, their app that they have, you can, they have the matchup deals too. So it's so many different people, but follow those people and they'll get you started and running. I think it's somebody else too. I can't think, but I can find it and I'll make sure I caption it below. She's great with Walgreens. All right, y'all. Bye.